What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I have a new dance tutorial for you. So this song is called Conga. This is a remix. I forget who's the singer. I just put here. Okay, let's start. Alright guys, let's start. Here we go. So from the back, slowly at 2 counts, 7 and 1, 2, grab, 3, 4. So you need to show this one. 3, 4 hips, 5 and low, 6, up, 7, 8. Wrong count. So 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1. This is 1, 1, 2. Continue. This is 3, lift on 4 and 5, 6, cross, 7, 8. Okay, so straight line. Let's try again from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, lift on 4 and 5, 6, cross, 7, 8. Next, from here, 8, this is 1 and 2. That's quick, huh? 7, 8, 1 and 2. Down on 3, 4. Dip. 5 and 6. Your weight on your left. And 6 goes 7. Bend. 8. Let's try that part. 7. Sorry, my stomach. 7, 8, go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, lift, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's continue. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 counts slow. So 1, 2, 3, slow from 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 7, 8, up. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Next, salsa. Salsa, not samba. Salsa. 1, back 2, down 3, 4, side 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1. Drop on 2, 3, 4. Step left, step right, turn around, set, bend, and 8. Let's try that part. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Salsa. 1, down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn. 7 and 8. Yes, let's start from the beginning. Almost. 2 8s. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, lift. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and salsa. 2, down. 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. My boys. 6. Yes! Last 2 8s from here. Chorus. 7, 8 slowly. 1, 2, 3. Close on 4. Copy? This is 5, 6, and 7, 8. Yes. Go 1, 2, 3. Close 4, 5, 6. Lift. 7, 8. Patukada. Batucada 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Last count. 5, 6, 7. Any pose. Yes. That's all of it. Let's try again from here. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Batucada. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Yes, let's try everything from the beginning. Are you ready, girls?
Yes.
Ready? And count 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pa ta da da pa. Hand, excuse me. 6, 7, 8. 1, slowly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Batucada. 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. 6. Hey! Good job! Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you liked the choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.